Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking another look at a Lego Polybag, and in this case, it's Polybag 30546. This is Krypto Saves the Day. And I had to take a look at this one. I wasn't really sure about things, but I figured I had to take a look at it and just see. I haven't looked at any. This is the first DC Superhero Girls set that I've ever taken a look at, and I've been generally fairly impressed with the Friends polybags I've looked at. I like the flowers a lot. I mean, like, I think there's a lot of interesting stuff going on with those, but I haven't looked at any of the Superhero Girls ones yet. All right, so if you enjoy this kind of video and the, build along polybag thing, please think about subscribing and turning on notifications, because I plan on doing these videos one a day for the, wow, there's a lot of instructions for this, one a day for the foreseeable future. So again, if you enjoy this kind of thing, there will be more on the way. Also, I've included links in the description. If you are interested in the polybag, I've included a link for Amazon and for Bricklink, and also I've included the reference link for Brickset if you just want to look up this particular set. Alright, so let's put this thing together and see what it looks like. So, I'm thinking this is going to be the vehicle that Krypto drives. Alright, so we got that. Okay, I don't know if y'all can tell or not from the camera, but I very much like this color of blue. I think it's a neat color of blue. Alright, so you got it facing that way. So this sticks off by 1. And then we got, yeah, okay. That did answer my question. I was wondering if it was this piece. Guess it is. So we got that. And then do the same on the other side. Like so. Alright. And then we have the windshield looking thing. I gotta say, this is a windshield. I found like it always looks awful clunky. Like, it just doesn't look very good. And I'm guessing our doggy, Krypto, is gonna stand right here. That's my guess. Alright, so we got that, and then next this and this. We need these two, so this is gonna clip in here, and this one is gonna clip in right here. So we got that one. This is starting to remind me of the, there was like a old Justice League cartoon where Superman had a little ship that they shrunk down, and he like went inside. I forgot what he went inside of. He went inside of something. Alright, so this is gonna go here. And I got one more of these. This one's, oops, this one's gonna go here, like so. And then we strap on some wings. Make sure our wings are facing the right way. And one wing, and 2 wings. And so we flip it back over, and we have, this is kind of cool. I like the Superman logo on the 2x1 cheese wedge. So that goes in front. That actually looks a little better now that it's got that. And then, alright. I don't know exactly why it has to say DC Superhero Girls on the fin. That seems a little bit weird. I could see like a Superman symbol or like some kind of dog-related symbol, that kind of thing. But I'm not buying that it's the logo for the set. Alright, so we got crystal here. I'm not sure why there's a crystal there, but apparently there's going to be a crystal there. And then we have a little cannon, and we need the shooter part of the cannon, like so. And it's going to shoot these things. I'm not a big fan of this, but it does actually shoot. I mean, like, it shoots pretty good. I just feel like, though, my scattering all these things to the wind just seems like it'd be too much for me. I can't stand the thought of Legos just being shot all over the place. Alright, so Krypto's got his cannon, and he goes on here, apparently. Alright, so we got the Krypto-mobile with his cannon to obviously shoot at evil things. Alright, so that's that. Now let's see what we got on the other side. The evil bad guy. Okay. Our evil bad guy starts like so. And we put these little transparent 1x1s all around our future bad guy. Like so. Oops. I'm guessing that this is going to be one of the extra parts they give you because of the ease with which you can lose them. Alright, so we got that taken care of. Now let's see what we got. If we're holding it like this, this one goes this way. This one goes this way. And we lose it yet again. This one goes this way, this one goes this way. We have our like Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle mutagen green cheese wedge right there. And another mutagen cheese wedge right here. Like so. And then we add the happy face that I guess is only a moderately evil happy face. I feel like this is like sorta evil, but not full on evil. Alright, so our sorta evil, full on evil happy face goes like this. Alright. I'm seeing kind of where it's going. It's like, okay. Now I'm guessing we build its jetpack because I'm feeling it's gonna have a jetpack. So our little evil star thing gets its jetpack like so. And this goes on top of here. And right there. It is a jetpack. Alright, good call. One orange jet, two orange jets, and then some Joker purple cheese wedges up on top. like so. Let me readjust my instructions so y'all can see. Alright. That got us to there. So we're sitting right here. I kind of feel like I want to use this jetpack for something else. Like, it's kind of a nifty jetpack idea. Not a bad look for a jetpack, right? I mean, if you think about it like that, like, it might be a decent minifig thing. I wonder if I'm, you know, actually, I wonder if I'm ever going to actually tackle the whole building the Centurions thing again, like I tried to do years ago with Legos. It might not be a bad choice. Could be the Centurions thing. Alright, so we give him a gun too. Or it a gun. I don't know what it is. Kind of feel like it's a energy crystal monster thing. Alright. And so the energy crystal monster thing, green energy, I'm assuming it's kryptonium. Wait, not kryptonium. Ah, kryptonite. Alright. So, there's that. Now, oh, I forgot these 2 extra pieces. They go right here. He gets a piece right here. Right there. And a piece right here. Oh, I got him facing the wrong way. Alright. So this is facing this way. And this one, I gotta pop off and fix. Yeah, we don't want it facing the wrong way. Alright, and that's there. And we put that on. And then we twist them around. Like so. So, you get all these extra pieces that I don't think I've missed any pieces there. So you get these extra pieces, and you get the little flying monster thing, and you get the Krypto. This, if you take them off, this is kind of a cool little jetpack. I feel like, I don't know, kind of neat. Now, I'm still, that right there, can y'all see that? DC superhero girls on the tail. On the tail, I don't buy that. But aside from that, it's kind of neat. You do get a Superman logo there. I feel like there's something to be done with that. I don't know what you're going to do with the sort of evil green face thing, but I feel like there's some potential there. Anyway, let me know what you think. And if you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.